Up to today, design has physically fulfilled our lives and has achieved an abundant society. However, a side effect exists. In exchange of abundance, we are now facing the problem of safety, and it is becoming more difficult to control what we have created. As seen in problems such as crossing air pollution in Fukushima, we can see that design has left the problem of safety behind. Fulfillment of mental values is another problem design has left behind. Probably many of you are forced to endure problems such as a crowded train. Such problems of mental values are not only caused by politics or economics. It is design that has to fulfill not only physical values but also mental values. Today's design has not yet been able to overcome the problems of mental values. Design also has many problems to solve for the children around the world. Starvation, sickness, education. What must design do to solve these problems? Design has not looked at these problems seriously enough and left them behind. There are also new challenges that design must face. One of the new challenges is the usage under extraordinary conditions. Designing artifacts in which environments humans cannot experience will be needed, such as artifacts in space, deep sea, and in human bodies. It is very difficult to design artifacts in such unknown conditions. Design must overcome the difficultness of designing artifacts which we ourselves could never experience. Integrating life systems and artifact systems is another challenge design must face. As seen in bioengineering and bio-inspired technologies, many technologies have advanced, giving us the possibility to integrate life systems and artifact systems. Design must propel this integration to create an ideal relationship of nature and human. Another challenge, which will become a main theme in the near future, is the creation of a large-scale system. Such systems, which integrates the soft and hard systems, need to design the act of using as well. By improving the balance of making and using, design will become a noble act. Moreover, designing a large-scale system, smart cities, and infrastructure systems is one of the large challenges we are facing today. These problems were caused by the division and specialization of design. Through the 19th century, design was divided into mainly two groups, an engineering-based design and an artistic-based design. After the division of design, each group has continued to be specialized in its characteristics. Therefore, numerous fields of design exist today. The division and specialization of design has led to high-quality artifacts consisting artistry, handiness, and functionality. People has become wealthier and the society has become more comfortable. However, as artifacts became more advanced, they have also become large and more complicated, leading to many problems. Therefore, to solve these problems, we need to integrate the fields of design. Concealance is needed in design. To solve these problems now, we need to act as a united body, and the need for a common basis exists in order to act as a united body. Therefore, we need design science to construct a common fundamental in the field of design academics. Design science is a common fundamental in the field of design academics. It is a science which theoretically describes a creative human activity called design, and its goal is to systematically construct a design methodology. Let's take a look at the basic framework of design science. The process of design is mainly separated into four layers: the design theory, design methodology, design method, and the design practice. The lower the layer, the less dependence on the object, and becomes a common theory to all fields of design. We construct the design theory by first proposing a hypothesis from an operational experiment in the design practice, and then verify the hypothesis. The construction of a design theory which can be used in any field of design, is one of the most important parts of design science. As an example of a design theory, there is a model called the multi-space design model. The multi-space design model is a design model consisting of generality common to any fields of design. This model is constructed mainly by a thinking space and a knowledge space. There are 4 spaces in the thinking space: the value space, the meaning space, the state space, and the attribute space. And there are 2 spaces in the knowledge space: the objective knowledge and the subjective knowledge. By modeling the elements of design in the thinking space using the elements from the knowledge space, it becomes possible to rationally think out the process of design. The M method is a design method based on the multi-space design model. It is a design method where the user can freely construct both idea generation and model. By using the M method, a free-minded idea generation and a logical thinking process can be achieved at the same time. It can be used to create familiar artifacts to a large and complex system. A web dictionary called the DesignScience Dictionary is being created. This is a dictionary containing main keywords constructing design science. It is a growing dictionary which we can add and change keywords as design science develops. We will take one step further to integrate the divided and specialized design by constructing design science as a concealment. And we will be able to solve many problems